Hello, friends. There are new changes that have been proposed to Social Security. Some lawmakers have stated that this proposed bill may negatively affect many low earners in the Social Security program. Dear friends, please make sure that you watch until the end of this video if you receive Social Security monthly benefits. I will be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter these giveaways, please make sure that you click and like several of my videos and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on with the keyword, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card. There have been many discussions recently on Social Security in Congress. The Senate Finance Committee approved a series of proposals that make full congressional passage of a retirement improvement package more likely to happen this year. The measure is called the Enhancing American Retirement Now, or EARN Act. It contains some provisions that are same as or similar to those proposed in the House, which passed the Securing a Strong Retirement Act in a bipartisan 415 to 5 vote. Known as Secure 2.0, the bill is intended to build upon the original Secure Act of 2019, which ushered in changes aimed at increasing retirement security by increasing access to workplace savings plans, among many other efforts. Finance Committee Chairman Ron Wyden has told his colleagues, the EARN Act includes more than 70 proposals aimed at helping more Americans save. The culmination of months of collaboration between just every member of the committee, Democrat and Republican. Together, the bills are the Senate's version of the Secure 2.0. Many provisions on the Senate side are the same as what cleared the House, including one to make it easier for employers to make contributions to 401k and similar workplace plans on behalf of employees who are making student loan payments instead of contributing to the retirement plan. Other similarities between the two chambers' proposals include allowing older workers to save more through so-called catch-up contributions to their 401k, and raising the age when savers must begin taking required minimum distributions from their retirement accounts. However, the differences between the two chambers' proposals would need to be worked out before full congressional approval could occur. Senate lawmakers said during the committee hearing that they are in conversation with their peers in the House to reach an agreement on a final version. So, friends, do you think that changes need to be made to Social Security benefits? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. More than 236,000 Oregon families will start receiving a $600 payment this week under a new state law which is aimed to aid low-income workers. Direct deposits or paper checks are going to people who lived in Oregon for the last 6 months of 2020 and claim the Earned Income Tax Credit. It is a tax break for low-income workers on their 2020 taxes. Friends, the keyword for this video is Bondi Beach. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Bondi Beach, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. More than 136,000 Oregon taxpayers will see $600 deposited into their bank accounts before July 1st, 2022. While more than 99,000 or more will find paper checks in their mailboxes over the next week. They will also receive letters explaining the payment. So in total, almost 142 million will go to low-income households. Lawmakers who supported the program said it will allow residents of Oregon to pay for necessities such as rent, groceries, and utility bills. Senate Democrat Kathleen Taylor said when the law passed, while Oregon's economy has recovered quickly from the crisis, we know this recovery was not felt the same across all of Oregon's workers. We have an urgent opportunity to support the equitable recovery of our workforce by sending relief to low-wage individuals and working families with the greatest need. The one-time payments come as inflation is at a 40-year high. In May, state economists reported that 80% of Oregon workers now earn less, adjusted for inflation, than they did pre-crisis. Rural residents in eastern and southern Oregon where average incomes are lower than urban areas, will benefit from the payments. Statewide, 1 out of 6 taxpayers qualified for the credit. The state's payments to low-income workers follow 3 federal stimulus payments, totaling $3,200, plus additional payments for dependents during the crisis in 2020 and early 2021.
If they would listen to what's going on, they would know that America is ticked, and they should be. National gas average today is $4.30 a gallon. Average a year ago, $2.87. In 2020, gasoline or oil was around $17 a barrel, and today I believe it's dropped to $95. And I heard someone from the White House earlier bragging about how the oil is dropped. I mean, that is the Washington way. Not talk about how it was a couple of years ago at 17. Talk about how it's dropped from over $110 down to 95. Madam Speaker, we need to turn the spigots back on. We need to get back in the oil business. The oil and gas companies have these. We've been told that they've got the permits, and then they boast about that they're not drilling because of it. The truth is, Madam Speaker, is not enough pipelines have been permitted to move the product. If they get it, there's nowhere for it to go. There's no storage capacity. There's no way to move the product. The pipelines have to be completed, and that is part of the master plan here. When has been stated by members on this floor and other times I've heard, $7 a gallon and electric vehicles are in. And that is no way to drive innovation, Madam Speaker. Innovation's driven through creativity, through capitalism, not by crooked politicians and evil folks trying to change the American agenda. Electric cars, they're not affordable yet. Over $50,000 a car, that's ridiculous. You've got over 8 adapters on the plugs. Takes several hours to charge. I don't know if you've ever driven cross country or not with a family, but that's just stopping 8 hours at a truck stop is not my idea of a vacation.
Well, my amazing friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you so much for joining me here and watching my videos, and I truly hope you found this video helpful. The winner of yesterday's Walmart gift card giveaway is Marque Bates. Congratulations, my friend. Please note, if I have named you as the winner, do check your notifications page and send me an email. Or you can also send me a message on my Facebook page. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed weekend.